Love should be easy. Why should it not?
Is there any difference between tachi and ra, nuance-wise, or something else? Yes, there is. Let's look at what you're talking about. Let's first of all talk about what tachi and ra do. Tachi and ra make things plural. What? There's plurals in Japanese? But in book one in the first lesson, it says that there's no plurals. It says that mimi means ear and ears. You are right. There are no plurals in Japanese, except for these cases. It's optional, all right? And sometimes it's not optional, but typically any noun can mean one or multiple. For example, sunglass is always banana. It's one banana or a billion bananas, right? Now, tachi. Tachi means like group of things. Joji tachi. This is a typical thing. You add tachi to someone's name. Let's say that we've got a group of people here and a group of people here. And I said, okay, you three go with George. You three go with Jeff. Well, now this group over here is now referred to as Joji tachi. And this group is Jeff tachi. I can do that. Jeff tachi wa, the Jeffs go over here, and the Joji tachi and the Georges go over there. Literally, I've named that group George or Jeff, okay? You can also say, anata tachi, you guys. Watashi tachi, us, right? It's watashi tachi, literally, my group. Watashi tachi, anata tachi, your group, right? There's also this, omae tachi, which is rude to start. Omae is rude for you, omae tachi, right? But it's not as rude as omaera. Now, omaera is like saying, you fuckers, you fuckers. It's like that bad. It's really bad. Omae tachi's bad. It's like, you guys, bad. Omaera. Huh? Omaera. It's bad, right? Now, you can add, you'll hear ra in other words to make them plural. It's typically not a good thing. But could I say Jojira? No. Could I say Jeffra? No. It's Joji tachi. Could you say anatara? Yep. Kimira? I think so. Watashtachira? Watashira? No, you don't say watashira because you're not going to be rude to yourself. So that's remember, there are no dumb questions, just my dumb answers. That's my dumb, best educated guess answer for what ra does. I'm sure someone will come up and say, oh, no, typically ra can, and they'll go to Wikipedia and there'll be a 19-page entry on ra, because I want to point out a lot of times on YouTube and Yes Japan, you guys are smarter than me and you have time to think and you actually come up with better answers. So if you do have a better answer or you want to add something, I always encourage you, go to the forum post for this show. If this is on YouTube, please post in the comments. Help people that are watching. If I've made a mistake or if you have a clarification, help them post your follow-up.